In this video, we'll explore the report generator features in the design to manufacturing software, which provides fully customizable templates for project report generation. The Report Generator Designer allows for the creation and archival of multiple report types. Creating a new report while using one of the default reports as a template is a great time saver. The report will dynamically populate lists with relevant data extracted from your project by using linked properties to DTM attributes. Text elements can be customized to follow your organization's format style, while cell sizes and formatting can be adjusted to create visually appealing reports. In addition, you can customize cell background to match your branding colors. Images can be inserted and edited to place logos and other images on the finished report. Once the report has been edited, it is ready to be used on a finished project. The Report Generator Creator is used to create the reports. Multiple reports can be run for a project at the same time, but only the connection list will be created for this example. Once a report is created, it can be exported in a multitude of formats. One of the most popular, PDF exports, are supported with additional options that can be modified for export. The reports can also be generated into the project as a set of project sheets. They can then be opened and closed as a typical sheet within the software. The Report Generator is an incredibly powerful utility. Use it to streamline your workflow and create documentation easily.